This journey begins deep inside vast rubber plantations, where skilled workers tap mature rubber trees. Fresh natural latex slowly flows from the tree.
Thousands of liters of fresh latex are collected daily and transported to processing facilities, where the transformation from natural rubber to high-performance tire begins.
At the processing plant, the latex undergoes purification and treatment. Impurities are removed to ensure the highest quality rubber for tire production. The liquid latex is carefully coagulated into solid rubber. Giant rollers compress the material into continuous sheets, preparing it for the next manufacturing stage. The rubber sheets are dried and cured inside specialized chambers. This process improves durability and prepares the rubber for industrial use. Processed rubber is compressed into dense bales for easy transportation. These rubber blocks become the foundation for modern tire manufacturing. Natural rubber is blended with carbon black, synthetic rubber, and advanced additives. This creates the specialized compound that gives tires their strength and durability. The rubber compound is transformed into individual tire components, including treads, sidewalls, and reinforced steel belt layers. Advanced tire building machines assemble each layer with incredible precision, creating the tire's complete internal structure. Inside powerful vulcanization presses, heat and pressure permanently strengthen the rubber while creating the tire's final tread pattern. Every tire undergoes rigorous inspection and testing to ensure safety, performance, and reliability under real-world driving conditions. After passing strict quality standards, the finished tires are packaged and shipped worldwide, completing their incredible journey from rubber tree to road-ready performance.